In this video, we are going to build a custom useDebounce hook in React to handle debouncing. What is it useful for? A common use case is a search input. For example, when the input value changes, you usually don't want to send a request on every single keystroke. Instead, you define a delay. Let's say 500 milliseconds, and only if 500 milliseconds pass after the user's last input without any further changes, you can assume the user has paused typing and then send the request. You can find this code in the source code section of the develogist.com. That way, whenever you start a new project, you won't need to rewrite this logic from scratch. You can just reuse it from there. First, we create a custom hook. Inside it, we define a piece of state and set its initial value to the same value passed into the hook. Then we add the use effect, and inside it we create a set timeout. We use the delay value as the timeout duration. So after that amount of time passes, our state gets updated with the last value. Now we want the timer to reset every time value changes, and we also want to clear the previous timeout. So inside use effect, we return a cleanup function. As you may know, this function runs when the effect is cleaned up or re-executed. That means every time the effect runs again, instead of stacking a new timeout on top of the previous ones, React clears the old timeout first. Finally, we pass value and delay into the dependency array of use effect so it can react to changes in both variables. After that, we create a simple test page to try it out. On that page, we use our custom hook. When we test it, we will see that as long as I keep typing, the debounced state does not update. But once I stop typing and 500 milliseconds pass, the state updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you are interested in text-based tutorials or want to reuse these code snippets, make sure to check out the develogist.com.